Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 here. Today's video, I cannot contain my excitement. It is a thrift swap with the amazing Miss Carrie Dayton. Because Christmas was or is on a Wednesday, we decided to do kind of like a holiday thrift swap together. We've actually done quite a lot in the past couple of years, and Carrie and I have very similar style, and based on her thrift wish list, I feel like we're very in line with what we're looking for. I am actually at the Rose Bowl flea market. Just to quickly go through what she is looking for, basically pops of burgundy or red, bags, sweaters, accessories, scarves, which is very fascinating because I have been getting more into scarves, and so has she. So she said stripes and plaid ones are her favorite, dark denim of any kind, plaid miniskirt to wear with tights, oversized brown sweater, anything brown, she says, because she doesn't own like anything, so definitely will have that on my mind. Crew neck cardigans of any color / pattern, grandpa sweaters, vests, of course, Christmas sweaters, of course, anything Disney. I am gonna try my best with filming. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult, so I'll probably do some voiceovers and use my phone for some footage. And oh yeah, I haven't been to the Rose Bowl flea market in a good amount of time, so I'm very excited to head on in. The first stand I saw when I walked into the Rose Bowl was this one, which had a bunch of beautiful leather and suede jackets, and as gorgeous as they all were, Carrie hadn't asked for any jackets or anything similar to what was there, so I kept going and I found this $10 pile that had some really cool pieces, but nothing I was looking for. So I ended up heading over to this stand that I always go to every time I go to the Rose Bowl. It has just a really great variety of categories of clothes and usually pretty good prices for, you know, the Rose Bowl flea market, and their sweater section is the whole reason why I wanted to go to it, because they usually have a lot there. And because Carrie is very similar to me when it comes to pickiness of texture and feeling of sweaters, I was definitely very conscious of how each one felt, and if I feel like I wouldn't wear it because of the itchiness, then I knew Carrie wouldn't, and so I wouldn't get it. I did go over to their Christmas sweater pile that was also cute, but again, nothing was just jumping out at me, so I made my way deeper into the Rose Bowl flea market and came across this stand, which was very 90s, early 2000s. It had so many fun patterns and silhouettes, and as cute again as the clothing was, there was just nothing that was popping out that I did want to get Carrie. Like, there was this brown velvet top that I thought was cute, but I wasn't sure about the v-neck of it and the fit. But overall, this stand was super adorable, just nothing that was popping out at me. So I went over the bridge to where the majority of the clothing is at the Rose Bowl, and I got really distracted by this top for some reason. I just really wanted it. I did not buy it, but I don't know. I just got really distracted, and I was just going through as many stands as I could, making my way mainly to the sweater section and also the skirt sections. This is another stand that I always love to visit when I go to the Rose Bowl flea market. They have a lot of 90s and early 2000 pieces, and usually a really great skirt collection, and I did find that most of them were like maxis and middies, and I really wanted to get that plaid mini skirt. I feel like whenever you're looking for something specific, you end up not finding it, but like finding other stuff, and I felt that kept happening where anything I wasn't looking for, I kept finding, and I was like, no, I really want to include as many thrift wish list items as I can, at least first. Like, I wanted the first pieces that I thrift for Carrie to be like those core pieces she's looking for, and then I can go a little wild. I really wasn't coming across a lot of grandpa sweaters and also like grandpa crew necks. I mentioned it, I think, in a thrift haul or like my ins and outs for 2025 is there was so much camo, specifically the like real tree hunting camo, so much camo. And so like most of the crew necks I was finding were camo, and I believe she already has like a long sleeve that's camo that she had gotten at the Rose Bowl a couple of years ago, but I really wanted like a proper grandpa one. So I went again to my other favorite stand. I do have a lot of favorite stands at the Rose Bowl flea market because I've been so many times, but the pallets, if you're looking for sweaters, crew necks, leather jackets, I literally got my very favorite leather jacket in one of these bins. This is where you gotta go. And they always have a Christmas holiday bin. And man, I was there for a while. I was going through every single one. And again, it was literally like Goldilocks. One would be good in one area, and then the other area, it wouldn't be good. So maybe the feeling and the size and the fit was perfect, but I didn't love the graphic, and kind of back and forth of going through all of that, which I didn't end up getting any Christmas cardigan, sweater, anything at that stand. So I was in the Rose Bowl for about 3 hours and I ended up not finding anything. It's because I'm being extremely picky just because I want it to be really good, and I'm filming this at the beginning of November, so I have time, and I was planning on going to different thrift stores, and so I will continue to film my thrifting trips. This is going to be a full like thrifting extravaganza for Carrie. I will see you in the next clip for the next time I am thrifting for her. So this is actually the next day. I went to a Savers and I went straight to the skirts, and I had found some skirts that were cute, but again, not perfect. Like, yes, this plaid one is cute, but I literally thrifted her a maxi plaid skirt last year, and so I was really hoping for a mini. I then headed to Crossroads, and I liked this brown shirt, but I just didn't know if she would actually get that much wear out of it. I then found this denim skirt, and it may be a wild card, but it did match this other one that was in my size, and I was like, oh my goodness, we could be matching. It is a couple of days later. I am at Savers, and I did end up finding 2 things for Carrie on Depop, and then also a plaid scarf on ThredUp. There were just very specific things that I knew I really wanted to find, and I felt like it was a 50-50 chance I would find at the thrift store, so I at least wanted those like core pieces and then kind of, you know, see what the thrift store has for me. This thrift trip wasn't a fail because you will see very soon that I ended up finding a dream magnificent item, but it was not starting very well. I was finding really cute skirts, but again, not the mini plaid skirt, and I did end up getting that denim skirt, the almost kind of midi one, and so I was like, okay, that was kind of a random thing to include, so I really need to stick to the wish list items now. That one's kind of just, again, a curveball, a like bonus item, and now I need to like get my head in the game. I just, again, was going through everything, seeing what the thrift store was gonna give me, and oh, did it actually give me something amazing. I just found the cutest overall dress Eeyore. Like, this is so pretty. This is just so cool. I've never seen anything like it, and I feel like she would appreciate it. I think I am gonna get it for her. I ended up not finding anything else that I was super in love with. As of right now, I have 4 items that I've thrifted or got secondhand for her, and I would like to get at least 6. We had said 5, but I can't help but want to do more, and I am going to be going thrifting with a friend next week, but not filming it. We're just like hanging out, going to different thrift stores, and so I will have Carrie in the back of my mind, but that means what I end up giving her will kind of be a surprise to you as well, which I guess at this point, this is the end of the thrifting portion. I will see you in the next part in just a second which is gonna be about almost 2 months from right now of us exchanging our thrift mystery boxes. I'm here with Carrie. It has been a couple of weeks since I last checked in. We have sent over our mystery boxes for each other, and I mean, mom feels pretty happy.
Sneak peek.
I was gonna say it feels like Christmas, but technically when this video goes up, it is actually Christmas, and I'm like,
literally
Christmas. Feel so just in the mood, and I'm really, really excited.
I have like so many nerves going into it and so many disclaimers. I was actually gonna literally write notes on every single piece, and I was like, you know what, I'll explain as you open. It's fine.
I was gonna do the same thing, which I'm happy then we're able to like film with each other, so then we can say all that, because every single thing, it's like there's a purpose, there's a reason, there's this blah blah blah, but okay.
Yeah, I'm like, but wait, there's a disclaimer for every single thing. Yeah.
But okay, does it matter whichever one?
No, because it didn't all fit in one box. It's a whole story. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, it's in 2 different boxes.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I don't even remember what I said. Like I mean, you could thrift me anything and I'd be like, how did you know? This is exactly what I want.
I tried to do a couple things like on my own, sort of like based off of your Pinterest board, your style, and then also a couple things that like were on your wish list that I was able to find, but I don't have any cool like Rose Bowl flea markets or anything like that to go to that has that cool vintage stuff, but I tried my best, so we'll see. We'll see how it is.
It's gonna be fantastic. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. I saw something. I saw a sweater. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. What? There's something like hard in it.
Oh, is there something hard?
Yeah, there's something hard in it. I will. Oh my goodness. What is even?
The hard things are just bonus.
Okay. I think I know what the hard thing is now. Like feeling it, and I'm very excited. Okay. I mean, yeah. 100%.
I just thought that was so you.
It's so cute, and the feeling of it, you get me. You know what kind of sweater and feeling that I like, and
I did the test. I know you rub your forearm on this, but I made sure it wasn't too scratchy. But yeah, I thought that one was like, I would want that. So I was like, okay, I think she would want that.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Starting off so strong. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited. Now it's like the adrenaline even more so. I'm like, okay, I'm pumped. I'm ready.
You're like, let's do this.
Okay. Next.
You can open the hard thing if you want.
Yeah, I'm just, Oh my god,
okay. It just made me think of you.
Look at this. Stop it. And on the back, did you write that? August 83, which I think
I know, isn't that crazy?
I think it actually means 1983, but 83 and my username is August 3rd, 0803, 83.
And you're Dutch.
And I'm
it's
Dutch.
From Holland.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I just felt like it was meant to be.
Well, and I have the other, I forgot, I think it's a Dutch one as well. We have like the slight like matching on my wall over there, and I'm gonna be adding another one over there, so I'll be adding this. Loving that.
Fun. There is one more hard thing in there, so be careful.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and
you're welcome.
Again, amazing, fantastic. Are you kidding me? This is so...
Okay, that was the backup of like the item that I wasn't sure about. I was like, okay, basically, long story short, I thrifted one of the things for Alexa and it was perfect, and then I got it home after I bought it and I realized it had holes in it and it's just like wasn't in as good of condition as I thought. So I went back to the thrift store later, got more stuff, and I feel like that was the best that I could do. I wanted to go for like a very 90s type of sweater. Yes. And that does feel like something, I mean, I personally would have worn that in the 90s, like in 5th grade. Yeah. I just thought it was really cute. And so it's not anywhere near as good as the other one, but it'll do.
It's so fantastic. It honestly is so perfect to my Pinterest board, 100%.
Yeah.
I feel velvet. Ooh.
Okay, so this was like...
This is cute.
It's a weird length,
it is
right?
So cute.
Okay, I love the color.
Yes.
It's a weird length, but I thought maybe if you wore like tall boots with it and like a leather blazer or whatever, very 90s, like a little silver necklace, like super Phoebe Buffet coated in my mind.
I love this color.
Okay, good.
This is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I have this like circle silver belt that I think also could even like help add shape. Next, honestly, again, I'm like, if you literally got me that and that was like the thrifted mystery box I got, I would review an A+, like 1,000% out of 10.
New business venture for me.
Yeah.
Ooh. Thank you. Oh, that's just like bonus. It just made me think of you, and it looked so much like your Pinterest board. I was like, okay, I have to.
This is so good. Stop it. No, like literally, this is such a good thrifted mystery box. And I'm not gonna cry again. I cried last year.
I was thinking about that. I was like, are we gonna cry again?
I am not wearing waterproof mascara. Oh, this is so perfect. Amazing, fantastic.
Oh, good.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
okay.
you said plaid maxi skirt, and I knew you had a bunch of the sort of like patchwork maxis, and I was like, okay, I want to try to do something a little bit different. That one did say it was a maxi. It's more of a midi, but also if you wore it like low rise enough with maybe like an oversized top or whatever, I think it could work. And I loved the colors.
It's so
very 90s.
fantastic. It really reminds me of a skirt that would be sold for like $100 on Unif, honestly, but better.
Yeah.
First box. Amazing,
Yay!
fantastic. I can.
So wait, maybe the other hard thing is in the other
Yeah.
box.
Next one, I'm like, that was fantastic. Like thank you, Santa.
Thank you. I was actually really second guessing myself. Alexa and I were texting before this, full disclosure, being like, I don't know how I feel about the stuff I got you. And she was like, me either. Like, we're both just in our heads about it. And we're like, this is a reminder that this is supposed to be for fun.
Exactly.
It's literally just to give each other Christmas presents and like have a little funsies in the process. So I'm glad you're enjoying it. It actually makes me feel a lot better.
Yes.
I was like, her stuff is gonna be so much better.
No. I already see texture. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is it? What is it?
It's a poncho.
Yes!
I found it at Savers. It was $4. I was like, okay, I know that it's like a little more big of a silhouette than you would typically probably want and like a little bit thicker, but it was at Savers and it was $4, so I literally had to get it.
I love how many holes are in it, so whatever I'm wearing under it, it's actually gonna show, because I still want it to be like a proper layering piece and add something but not like take away from the outfit. So
I was trying to find something that was like more along the lines of your Pinterest board, like thinner and like a little less like, I don't know, oversized or whatever, but I was like, I have to. It's
perfect.
$4
Yeah.
and like to find that at the thrift store is so rare, so I was just really excited.
I feel the hard thing, and it doesn't feel broken, so it should be good.
Good.
Stop it right now. How did you do that? I have had corduroy. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the.
Yeah, don't look at that
not yet. I've been searching for a corduroy. I put it on the like wish list items, and I was like, she's not gonna find it. Like, it's totally fine. I'm accepting. I'm never gonna find this, and you did. A corduroy button-up.
I love it. Oh my god, yay. I'm so glad. I was like, I want one for myself. Also, Drew has almost that exact shirt, so now you guys are twinsies.
He is a
So that's
fashion
really
icon.
fun.
This is so
I think it's gonna be so
good.
cute on you.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yay! I wanted something like a little bit darker brown, but I was like,
this
you know
is
what?
perfect.
That'll do, because I like that good like vintage thicker corduroy, you know?
And then the last item, oh my gosh.
It just made me think of you.
Oh my goodness. That is me.
They had them at the
100%
thrift
me.
store. There were like 20 to choose from, and I was like, no, like I need her to have one of those. So you can buy like a little hanger to put it on your wall if you want, or like put it up on a shelf or whatever. I just think it's so cute.
Everything. This is the best Christmas ever. It means so much to me.
Don't.
I know.
Don't.
It just means so much to me, because I also know just like how much thought you put into every single thing, and everything is a 10 out of 10. If you were selling on Depop, I'd be like, everyone needs to buy from Miss Carrie Dayton. She has the best thrifted mystery boxes.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice. We're not gonna start.
No, I'm not. We still have to film your portion, and I'm like, I can't fix my mascara. I cannot.
In every
fix my
video you
mascara.
start, and then you lose it for my video.
This was
Oh, but I
so
love you
much
so
fun.
much.
I love
Merry
you too.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Obviously, go check out Carrie's video to see her actually thrifting all this stuff, and then to see her reaction to what I had thrifted for her. I'm like, wait, I know mine is still good, but I'm like, yours is really, really, now I'm second guessing myself. I'm like, oh no.
No.
Like, it's not as good.
I'm gonna love it all.
I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and thank you for spending the time to watch this video today, and
So much fun.
I will see you all in my next video. Bye.